Peace, love, and blessing. 100 chillin', how 100 chillin' be? This here the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. 100 chillin' know who this shit up?
Bam.
All right, that is the one-man NAACP, as he called himself. But plenty of we know him as Dr. Amir, Jamal, Touré. What going on?
Well, we right here, and we right here. Now check this out. We right here on Bull Street here in Savannah, capital of Gullah Geechee Nation.
Come on,
but
here we go with that now.
But we right here, and we right here at Chichee Rock. Rock right here. Chichee Rock. Why is that so fitting? This is where you got Reverend Jose Williams doing the civil rights movement. They are hundreds of them right out here. He on top of Chichee Rock. Making sure people understand that black folks, we going to fight for freedom and equality right here. Queen Quet right here on Bull Street. Right by Chichee Rock. Like Reverend Jose Williams. Fighting for liberation. We right here in the PC, the seaport.
Come on,
bam, the mother city of Georgia in the house.
Come on, let's go, fam. So look here. Why we did here today? We did here because it's shouting time again. Look right up, Shema. You see that?
That proclamation.
You just get that proclamation one more again for the Gullah Geechee Nation, Chatham County, proclaiming Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2026. But guess what? Before we even get to that, at the end of July, we gonna launch them on St. Helena Island, July 24th, July 25th, Gullah Geechee Family Weekend right at Penn Center, in the epicenter of Gullah Geechee culture, historic St. Helena Island, South Kakalaki. We ain't but an hour away from Chatham County, y'all 45, depending on who's driving. You can come on over to the island and celebrate with we, but what's going on tomorrow?
Oh, we got Juneteenth here at the Jepson Center right down the street. Juneteenth, bam, starting from 1 to 4 at the Jepson Center, then going over to the Telfair Art Academy, and they got an exhibit showcasing some of the culture and the history. So now I got to throw this on out there when when it said that Queen Quet going to be there, African Spirit going to be there, Bride Greg going to be there. And so again, we celebrate.
And Sister Anastasia Ketchins, we going to have up in the building for the first time. Sister V right there, come on.
We're going to be right there, so come 1 to 4 on tomorrow, Jepson Center, and at the Telfair, which is going to be historic, doing it right there. Oh, and Brother Majid and Yusuf, you know, now Famlee doing the drumming right there. So be there, check it on out. It's your time. We right here in the mother city.
Come on now.
We here,
let them know.
Right here.
Let them know. Coastal Empire, come on through. You know what to do. Now, guess what? Don't tell you ain't behind money, because guess what? It's free. Okay?
Right.
It's free. It's all family day. Y'all can go around the several Telfair Museum tomorrow all day. You can go on by, was it Owen Thomas' house?
Owen Thomas' house.
And there's the enslavement quarters there. You can go see that for nothing, for free. 100 children ain't have to have the shiny thing and thing like that. So don't tell we say you can't come because you ain't behind money, because it ain't cost you nothing for get in. No. The basket could be for sale, art going to be for sale, booking thing going to be for sale. So bring some shiny thing. Bring the PayPal, bring the Cash App, bring the Zelle, bring all of this here. Bring cash. Cash still king. Y'all come on and join me tomorrow. We've been doing this year. Y'all been at the Jepson how much a year now?
19 years. Juneteenth, 19 years. This is 19th year of Juneteenth celebration, Jepson Center. That's
right. So we starting 1 p.m. on the steps of the Jepson. Come for the libation ceremony, and then we gonna have a Gullah Geechee Black Gold Juneteenth procession for freedom right on cross to the Telfair Academy. So this your time. If y'all be coming all the years and y'all go in the auditorium and y'all look tomorrow evening, y'all come late and y'all don't see we did inside there in the Jepson, because we crossed the square. You have to come over there, okay? Because we're going to be cross the square, come over there. But come join me 1 o'clock and then be part of the procession, because we're going to be marching through the city for freedom, for liberty, for justice. Let them don't just be just us, okay? And thank you one more again, Chatham County, for this blessing. One more again for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Going to be right here in the Coastal Empire. Yes, right here in Cebu. You know what to do. So Gullah Geechee family, we want to say thank you one more again. Looking forward to celebrating with 100 children tomorrow. And one more again in July. Peace, love, and blessing, family. Come on, keep standing up for freedom.
Damn. And so, all right.
All right.